Hey everyone, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today we are creating a magical galaxy painting with colorful planets, stars, and cosmic vibes. So, if you are a beginner, don't worry, this is super easy and relaxing to paint. So, let's get started.
First, let's add our planets. Start by sketching light circles with a pencil and then do the same with the help of a pen. While making the Saturn, please do not forget the iconic ring. Now fill them with pastel colors or colors of your choice, and for texture, blend lighter shades in the center and darker shades on the edges. It gives a round 3D effect to your painting. Add small craters and highlights to give each planet its own personality. A little shadow on one side makes the planet look more realistic, as if sunlight is hitting from one direction. Now let's do the dark navy blue background to represent the outer space. Use a flat brush and blend in different shades of blue and a little black for depth. You can also dab with a sponge to give it a cloudy galaxy-like effect. Now, once the background dries, let's add the stars. Dip a brush in white paint and flick it gently to create random star patterns. You can also add some bigger stars with a dotting tool or the back of the brush. Here I am using a white ink paint to make these stars.
This is the final painting, the magical galaxy painting. Thank you for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more art videos. And also don't forget to comment down below which planet you want me to paint next, maybe Earth, Mars or even a fantasy planet. See you in the next video.